After the Great War, Hungary was divided into two primary factions. One side wanted to restore the monarchy under Karoly IV, the last king of Hungary. The other side wanted to elect a new king. In 1918, a democratic republic was established by the liberal politician Mihaly Karoly. This was overthrown by the Marxist Bela Kun, a coalition of right-wing political forces united to topple the communists. Because of the instability that marked the Republican period, few Hungarians were eager to see the monarchy toppled. Moreover, Hungary had had almost 1,000 years of monarchy. Miklos Horthy had been an accomplished admiral in the Austro-Hungarian Empire, and was popular with both the people and the aristocracy. In March of 1920, he became Regent of Hungary, until a king could be found. In 1921, Karoly IV tried to march on Budapest and reclaim the throne, but he failed. The army remained loyal to Horthy. The previous king was exiled to Madeira, and the Diet of Hungary abolished the Habsburgs' hereditary rights to the throne. With the Habsburgs out of the running, the Hungarians couldn't agree on who to elect as king. Horthy was granted a near-dictatorial power and styled His Serene Highness the Regent of the Kingdom of Hungary. He was an admiral without a fleet, and a regent to a kingdom without a king. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Have a nice day.